Got it? Wonderful Tonight. This is a gentle song that allows gentle drumming, John. Feel it. That's long. Well done. Well, that was the last song of the Friends. Was that right? The last one. So please give a big round of applause to John.
Hey.
It's not Eric. You?
Hey.
I know he's job and what you've done. Reese, Zach. Big was Zach, Reese, Joe and Ewan. And Big John for teaching him as well. And the big fellow who teaches Martin, Martin teaches you. But yeah, thank you all for going this evening as well. They've done a brilliant job. I think honestly, they've really, really improved together. Do you not think? From when they got together, honestly, I think you sound brilliant. All of, and everybody else who played in the first verse. So again, please, a big round of applause for all of them as well. And John for teaching as well. Brilliant. You spend a lot of time doing it. Great. You want to do a Christmas one? Yeah! Do it. Yeah, you do a bit of Christmas. But